Okay, today we're going to talk about how to set up your YouTube page as a new user. So we've created our Google Plus profiles last week in our class, and anybody who wants to set up a YouTube profile needs to set up a Google Plus profile first. And as you know, it'll set it up with your name, and this is a dummy account, so this is not actually my name, of course, but I created a dummy account. And you must use a real name. With Google Plus, you can't use fake names like you would in Facebook. So it's pretty strict about that. So what's going to happen is your Google Plus account will now become your YouTube account, and it will actually be linked. So anything you comment on YouTube will now show up in Google Plus, or you have the option to have that happen. But basically, when you comment on YouTube, people know it's you. They can find your profile. So that's pretty important, because commenting used to be anonymous, and there was a lot of bad comments on there. We'll just leave it at that. So how do I go from my Google Apps basically to my YouTube account? So I'll click on the Launchpad, and as you can see, it doesn't show up here. Why? Because it's not one of the core apps which have the privacy protection that come along in most schools. Now in YouTube, there are many ways to change the privacy so that it respects the environment of schools, and I'll be showing you that in the video. So we're going to click on more. It's being a little silly. There you go, YouTube. Click on it. So it's going to ask me to subscribe to a bunch of channels. You could do that. I really think one of the awesome features of YouTube is the amazing amount of things you can learn. And that's why I post so many of my videos to YouTube, because lots of people find them and learn, and often leave a comment, which is always a good practice. If you're going to use somebody's work and find something useful, leave them a comment, and or even subscribe to their channel, which we'll look at that a little bit later. Channels recommended for you. Now they don't know me. I don't really know how they come up with this, because all I've entered was my name and a date of birth. So which remember, if you're under 12, you won't be able to use Google Plus and or YouTube for commenting. So that's the way it's set up. It'll lock you out of your account. I'm unsubscribing to all this. Okay, congratulations, you subscribed to one channel. I thought I must have missed one. All right, so here it is. This is the account I've created, and well, I want to create a channel, so I need to click on the upper right corner, and I didn't put a picture because it's not a real person. I'll probably delete this account later. And now I want to click on my channel. So here it is. It's going to ask me to, you don't have a choice really, and say, yes, I will be on YouTube as this person. Okay, so there it is. And of course, and for the purposes of our class, I can delete the account at the end of the course. That way, if you don't want it posted under this account, normally you would use your personal Gmail. If you have a Google Apps account with your school or school board, it's separate than your Gmail. So it's actually a separate YouTube channel. So two different YouTube channels if you would have a Google Apps account. So each Google App account has its own YouTube channel. So there you go. I'm going to do that again. So my channel. And here we are at the main settings page. So we're going to take a few seconds to look at this. Basically, you set up your account and you're ready to start, changing your settings and so on. So I'm going to make that into a separate video. Okay, and that's all for how to convert your account to a YouTube account. Thank you.